Welcome back. We left Sarah hanging in the air, and actually not just hanging in the air, but in an infinite loop of jumping up and down. And as you guys know from home, I want you to take a moment and try jumping up and down forever. And what will you realize?
I'm tired.
It can get very tiring. So maybe we shouldn't do it forever, but a certain number of times. How many times should we do it?
10.
Okay, so this number can get changed, but actually it's already on 10.
We can make it 9 if we want to change the number.
All right, let's do 9 times so that Sarah doesn't get too tired. We're going to do this 9 times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might have lost track. 6, 7, 8. Did I lose track? 9. All right. So that was a count controlled loop. We knew exactly 9 times. So it didn't happen forever, but it happened 9 times. Sarah, what should we try now?
Let's try a conditional where we only do something on a certain, if something happens.
I love conditionals. I always use them all the time. Say, if you eat your broccoli, then you get dessert, kids. I'm very big on conditionals. So here we have ifs and elses. So an if is just if a condition is true, then you do what's inside. An else would be if a condition is true, do what's inside. Else, if not, otherwise, do what's in there. But we can try an if. So what do you want to check for? These are very good to go in loops.
Well, if we had, instead of jumping, if we make me go toward you, we could say, if I'm touching you, run away or something, because I don't like to touch people, be too close to them.
Okay. So if, okay, let's put this outside. So we're going to go to if, we're going to do sensing. If touching, so we're in Sarah's code. So if you're touching Rachel, because we don't actually like to hug, right?
Yeah,
so no. We could do virtual ones, right? But we're a little too far for that anyway. All right. So if we're touching Rachel, then you want to jump up and down then, or move away?
No, move backwards.
Move back. So then let's go to our move. And then let's move slowly so we can watch this happening. Let's move -10 steps away. And otherwise, I'm going to get rid of this.
Otherwise, move closer.
Yeah, let's do that. And I think we should put it back into a forever loop so that we can actually see it happening.
Then we'll always move forever.
Yeah, just for now. We can do it 9 times, but you want to do it 9 times?
Yeah, let's put it back in our 9 times loop.
All right, and we'll
also, do we need the weight so we see it happening?
If, ooh, yeah, that's a good idea. Let's do it. So it's got.
When you leave the code on the side, nothing happens?
I don't think so. We'll find out. I think because there's if we click it, it will happen. But it's not in when the flag, the green flag is clicked. And I didn't want to lose it in case we wanted it again. You can also hide things. You know, there's a backpack in here.
What's a backpack? Oh, that's so cute. You could store
it's in my backpack. Okay, that's cool. And then you can use
your backpack. How'd you
what?
In your backpack?
I think so. Here, where's my backpack? Is this? Or is there other stuff in here?
I still see it in your non-backpack.
Yeah, I think but it's also in my backpack. Let's say I wanted to put it in Rachel's code. Now I can go to my backpack.
Oh, nice.
And then, so I don't have to like redo it in both codes. So you could put things in your backpack and it kind of saves it for later.
So it's kind of like functions in real programming?
No, it's kind of like imagine holding a backpack. No, but
like copy paste, I guess.
I think my blocks is going to be like functions that are reusable, pieces of code that you call by a name, like my block. And we'll do that, but probably not in this video. But that's going to be more like a function you call by one name and it does it all. But here we're actually we're like copying and pasting the code over again.
Oh.
From our backpack, but we don't even need it. So let's get rid of this. Okay, and let's get rid of this. All right, so we're back to Sarah, and let's try this. He's coming. Coming.
Closer. Oh no, we're about to hug.
Problem is 9 is not enough. Let's change it to 19 so we can see.
Oh,
Because I think she didn't get the chance to move back. Let's try again.
Okay.
No, it's not working. Oh, or maybe we need to wait there too. Let's try.
Oh, could be.
All right, we'll try this again. They're touching. Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, she's only moving back -10. And then she comes
I only
forward.
do it once, and so I go back and forth, back and forth.
Right. Like, wait, I touched your, and actually I think it's their shoes that are touching. So it's like, oh, touched your shoe.
Gotta go back. Oh, I touched your foot again. All right, but the code worked.
We actually have the same shoes. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Good thing our feet are the same size. That actually really happened. Do you remember I used to always make you try on my shoes because I never knew if they were comfortable. And since we had the same size feet, you would try them on for me and say, yes, it's comfortable. Go buy them.
Yeah. I still have to do that, but now I have to order them online since we don't live near each other.
Yeah, I miss that. I miss bringing you to my shoe store to try on my shoes. All right. Well, in the next video, we can try a number of different things. We do owe you my blocks and we can try that at some point. And there's lots of other things as well. See you with the next video.